China WELONG was founded in 2001, certified by ISO 9001:2015, API 7-1 quality system, dedicated to the development and supply of customized metal parts which used in different kinds of industries. WELONG's main capabilities: sand casting, investment casting, centrifugal casting, and machining. The material contains iron cast, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, zinc, alloy, etc. We have experienced staff and engineers help you make the improvement and modernization of the production processes to saving the cost. We can also help you control the quality during production, inspect the products, and monitor the delivery times. Reasonable pricing, meeting product specifications/standards, effective package, delivering anywhere in the world on time, and spotless service are our aims. In the past 20 years, our products shipped to UK, Germany, France, Italy, Poland, USA, Canada, Holland, Sweden, Austria, New Zealand, Singapore, India, more than 100 customers. We are always working diligently to be the leader of international supply chain, boosting the China intelligent manufacturing, leading the world. At WELONG, we help our customers and the customers' customers succeed.